Apple's much-anticipated iPhone 16 series is likely to be unveiled on September 9th. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has already received a lot of attention for its advanced features, including as the series' largest display and battery, is expected to lead the lineup. A recent leak has shown a new desert titanium color option, generating interest among potential purchasers. A video posted by Tech Boiler on YouTube shows what appears to be a fake unit of the iPhone 16 Pro Max in this new color. Unlike prior leaks, which hinted to a gold color, the dummy model appears to have a darker brownish tint, along with a matte textured back and chrome-finished side rails, a method of design identical with the previous Pro model. Design-wise, the iPhone 16 Pro Max appears to follow in the footsteps of its predecessors, with recognizable volume, power, and action buttons. However, it appears to introduce a new button, thought to be a capture button, that is specific to this year's flagship models. The rear panel is expected to retain Apple's well-known triple camera arrangement, along with an LED flash, ensuring design consistency. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to support a 6.9-inch display with the narrowest bezels in the smartphone market. This is intended to provide a more immersive viewing experience. Underneath, the gadget could be powered by Apple's new A18 Pro chipset, which is believed to bring greater AI capabilities via Apple Intelligence, considerably improving performance and user experience. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to gain significant photography upgrades, including a higher quality 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, as well as the telephoto lens launched with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. These updates are likely to appeal to photography lovers searching for high-quality camera performance in a smartphone. Another big gain is projected in battery capacity, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max believed to have a 4,676 mAh battery, up from its predecessor's 4,442 mAh battery.